The phone vibrates in your pocket. You pull it out to find a text from your friend asking if you want to hang out tonight. But before you can respond, your boss messages you about that project you've been working on. So you open that message, read it, reread it, then take some time typing out a thoughtful response. About an hour later, your phone vibrates again. You look down to see that your friend's message has been waiting patiently for a response the entire time. We all lead busy lives filled with emails, texts, and meetings. In fact, studies showed that the average American spends nearly 5 hours every single day on their phone. When your phone is your primary form of communication, keeping up with your responsibilities can feel next to impossible. Hi, I'm here to talk about something that can help us keep track of our responsibilities and hold us accountable. Some call it a tool, others call it a toy. But this is something that many people swear by. In fact, they love it so much they can't imagine life without it. They wear it everywhere, all day, every day. And it seems to know them better than they know themselves. This is a story about a fitness tracker. The first week with the tracker was an experiment. Alex hadn't set out to make huge changes, just to see what happened. And what happened was surprising. The 5,000-step goal in place, movement became intentional. A trip to the mailbox turned into a walk around the block. Taking the long way to the kitchen became a conscious choice. Calls with friends were now walking calls, phone pressed to Alex's ear while pacing the apartment. The little buzz on the wrist when the hourly stand reminder hit became oddly motivating. It wasn't demanding, it was suggesting. Hey, just a minute or two on your feet. Alex found himself checking the tracker more often than he expected, not because there was an urgent ping or notification, but because he wanted to. He wanted to see how close he was to his goal, how his day was shaping up. Was it too late to squeeze in a walk during his lunch break? Should he take the stairs instead of the elevator? Could he get his steps in tonight, or should he start his evening earlier? It was a subtle shift, but after years of feeling vaguely guilty about his lack of exercise, Alex felt empowered. For the first time, he was in control. The tracker was there guiding him, never nagging, always encouraging. The step counter was addictive in a quiet way. Watching the numbers tick upward became a background obsession. By Thursday, Alex realized the daily average was creeping closer to 6,000 without even trying. On Friday, he decided to take the tracker on a work trip across town. It wasn't exactly an adventure. Conference centers aren't known for their scenic views. But Alex walked the halls during breaks, up and down stairs, over bridges connecting different levels. By the time he got home, his tracker buzzed with congratulations. He'd reached his goal. Saturday came, and with it, an unplanned experiment. How far could Alex go? The day started with a morning walk to the farmer's market, then a loop around the park. After a lazy afternoon reading and writing, Alex checked the tracker. Almost 5,000 steps. Maybe a walk to the nearby restaurant for dinner, he thought. But then he remembered the bakery down the street. How could he resist fresh bread? Alex walked back home, stopping for ice cream along the way. Before he knew it, he was almost at his goal. Alex looked up from his phone. The path to the living room stretched out ahead of him. TV, movies, dinner. It would be so easy to settle in for the night. But as he stood up and started walking, the question popped into his head. Why not? His tracker buzzed, reminding him of the stand goal he'd set for the hour. He had 27 minutes to reach his goal. No big deal. Alex kept walking. He paced the apartment, then headed out the door. The cool evening air was a welcome change. As he walked, the city lights twinkled on, families strolled by, couples laughed from nearby tables. The sounds and smells filled Alex, the step count rising steadily. In another 10 minutes, Alex reached his destination, a cozy spot in the park. He sat down on a bench and pulled his phone out of his pocket. 9,432 steps. Personal best. Right. The feeling lingered long after the initial excitement faded. It wasn't just about the number, although that was pretty cool. It was about the journey. The walks had become part of his day. Instead of feeling like chores, they felt like adventures. Exploring new parts of the city, discovering hidden cafes, finding cozy spots in the park. It was all in a day's walk. And Alex couldn't believe he'd been missing out for so long. It wasn't all sunshine and rainbows, though. There were days when the weather took a turn, making it harder to stay motivated. Some days Alex just wanted to curl up on the couch and binge-watch shows, but he knew he could do it. He'd already come too far to quit now. So he put on his shoes and stepped outside, one foot in front of the other. He didn't need the tracker to tell him what to do. He already knew. One evening, scrolling through the app's dashboard, Alex saw the option to raise the daily step goal. Suggestion was tempting. 5,000 steps had felt like a challenge at first, but now it felt like coasting. Over the next few weeks, Alex continued to explore his city, discovering hidden gems and iconic landmarks right in his own backyard. Rediscovered the joy of walking, the freedom to explore, the clarity of a focused mind. Learned that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with just a single step. And sometimes all it takes is a little motivation to get moving. The thing is, we all have goals we want to achieve, be it staying active, improving our health, or simply being more mindful in our daily lives. But it's not always easy to stay motivated or hold ourselves accountable. That's where the tracker comes in. It's a device that helps us stay motivated and accountable by tracking our steps and providing gentle reminders to move. For instance, let's say you want to increase your physical activity throughout the day. The tracker can remind you to get up from your seat every half an hour or so, helping you avoid the sedentary lifestyle that can lead to health problems. Or maybe you're trying to build a habit of going for a walk in the morning. The tracker can send you a gentle reminder at your preferred time, helping you establish a routine. But the benefits of the tracker don't stop there. It can also help you monitor your sleep patterns, ensuring you get enough rest to stay healthy and energized. It can even provide insights into your stress levels, allowing you to manage your well-being proactively. And let's not forget about the social aspect of the tracker. Many trackers allow you to connect with friends and family, sharing your progress and encouraging each other to stay active. It's a fun way to stay accountable and motivated together. So whether you're looking to improve your physical or mental well-being, the tracker might be the perfect companion to help you on your journey. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and share with your friends and family. We'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions for future videos. Stay healthy and motivated, and we'll see you in the next one.